Hello everyone. Today's topic is confusion matrix. This is from machine learning subject 4th year computer department and the topic from 4th unit supervised learning classification. Confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is a specific table that summarizes the performance of a classification problem. It is also known as error matrix. There are four terms in confusion matrix. First is true positive, second is true negative, third one is false positive, and fourth is false negative. True positive is denoted by capital TP. True negative is denoted by capital TN. False positive is denoted by capital FP. And false negative is denoted by capital Fn. So this is the table which is known as confusion matrix. And this is the example of confusion matrix. These are the predictive values. These are the actual values. So here Tn is equal to 50, Fn is equal to 5, Fp is equal to 10 and Tp is equal to 100. Total is 165. Total means 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 100. This total is nothing but addition of Tn, Fp, Fn and Tp. Actual no is equal to 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Actual yes is equal to 5 plus 100 which is equal to 105. Total predicted no is equal to 50 plus 5 is equal to 55 and total predicted yes which is equal to 10 plus 100 which is equal to 110. In machine learning, we predict the value. There are two types of values. First is actual value means original value and second is we predict the value that is predicted value. So there are four terms in confusion matrix. First is true positive. The predicted value matches the actual value. When the actual value was positive and the model predicted a positive value. Means predicted value is positive, also model predicted positive value. So this is the true positive. Predicted value is yes and actual value also yes. So this is the true positive. Second term, true negative. The predicted value matches the actual value. Both value are same and both value are negative. When the actual value is also negative and predicted value is also negative. So this is true negative. This is true negative. Predicted value is no and actual value also no. This is true negative. Then third term is false positive, which is also known as type 1 error. The actual value is negative, but the model predicted positive value. Actual value is negative and model predict positive value. This is false positive. Actual value is negative and model predict yes value. And fourth term is false negative. This is also known as type 2 error. When the actual value was positive but model predicted negative value. both value are different. Actual value is positive and model predict negative value. False, negative. This is false, negative. So this is the confusion matrix in which it includes true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative. Classification matrix. Classification metrics are used to evaluate the performance of classification models. We use recall, precision, accuracy, F1 score, error rate to evaluate the performance of classification models. Recall. Out of the total positive, what percentage are predicted positive? It is same as true positive rate. Formula to calculate recall is true positive divided by actual S. Precision. Out of all the positive predicted, what percentage is truly positive? Formula to calculate precision is equal to true positive divided by predicted yes. Recall is equal to TP divided by actual yes and precision is equal to TP divided by predicted yes. Accuracy. Accuracy is used for evaluating the performance of a classification model. Accuracy is equal to number of correct prediction divided by total number of predictions. Means accuracy is equal to true positive plus true negative divided by total, which is equal to TP plus TN divided by total. So using this formula, we can calculate accuracy. Next is F1 score. F1 score is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. It takes both false positive and false negative into account. Formula to calculate F1 score is equal to 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. Error rate. Error rate is equal to 1 minus accuracy. So this is the formula to calculate error rate, 1 minus accuracy, or false positive plus false negative divided by total. So error rate is equal to Fp plus Fn divided by total. So using this formula, you can calculate error rate. This is the problem in which confusion matrix is given and we have to calculate precision, recall, accuracy, accuracy rate and F1 score. So question is, consider the confusion matrix given below for a binary classifier predicting the presence of a disease. Calculate precision, recall, accuracy, accuracy rate and F1 score. So this is the confusion matrix. These are the predicted value and these are the actual value. So the value of Tn, true negative, which is equal to 45. False positive is 5, false negative is 5 and true positive is 95, which is given in the question. So first we find total. Total is equal to Tn plus Fp plus Fn plus Tp, which is equal to 45 plus 5 plus 5 plus 95. So after adding all this term, we get 150. We add all these 4 terms and we get 150. So value of total is 150. Tn is 45. This is the Tn. True negative. Fp is 5. Fp is this. False positive, which is 5. Fn false negative. This is the false negative, which is 5. And true positive, Tp, which is equal to 95. Tp is equal to 95. First is recall. So recall is equal to true positive divided by actual yes. Tp divided by actual yes. So true positive is 95 and actual yes. Actual yes are 100. So 95 divided by 100, which is equal to 9.5. So the value of recall is 9.5. Next, precision. Precision is equal to true positive divided by predicted yes. So value of Tp is 95 and predicted yes are 100. So 95 divided by 100, which is equal to 9.5. Value of precision is 9.5. Next, accuracy. So accuracy is equal to true positive plus true negative divided by total. Tp plus Tn divided by total. So Tp is 95, Tn is 45 and total is 150. 95 plus 45 is equal to 140 and 140 divided by 150, which is equal to 0.933. So accuracy is 0.933. Next is error rate. So error rate is equal to 1 minus accuracy, and already we calculated accuracy, and the accuracy is 0.933. So error rate is equal to 1 minus 0.933. 1 minus 0.933 is equal to 0.067. So error rate is 0.067. Next is F1 score. So formula to calculate F1 score is 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. Already we calculated precision and recall. Precision is 9.5 and recall is 9.5. So we put value of precision and recall in this formula. 2 into 9.5 into 9.5 divided by 9.5 plus 9.5 is equal to 2 into 9.5 into 9.5 is 90.25 and 9.5 plus 9.5 is 90. So 2 into 90.25 is 180.50 and this is 90. So 180.50 divided by 90. After dividing this value, 180.50 divided by 19, which is equal to 9.5. So F1 score is 9.5 and error rate is 0.067.